I'm Anubha and welcome back to my channel. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you out there. May you get all you want in this new year, all your wishes get fulfilled, and once again a very happy new year to all of you and your families. First of all, I want to thank each one of you for loving my videos and supporting me throughout the last year, and I expect the same from you all in the year 2019 as well. And in this new year, I will try harder and harder to come up with the best possible content for you guys, and I just want to help you guys out there in whichever possible way I can. Since this is the very first video of 2019, I wanted to start a video that has some personal connect. So today I'm going to be filming a get to know me video, and I actually asked you guys on Instagram to ask me anything about my life and personal stuff, anything that you guys want to ask me. So today I'm going to be answering all of your questions in this video, so let's get started. So all of the questions are saved in my notepad and I'll be randomly picking one question. So the first question is, if you could have one magical power, what would that be? I think I am a really big foodie, so one magical power I want would be to eat as much as I can and stay fit and stay healthy, never gain weight. That would be it. Okay, so the next question is, what if you wake up in Nikki Tutorial's room tomorrow? Your first reaction would be? I think I'm gonna get up and steal all her makeup and run as fast as I can. Yeah. The next one is, whom you follow for eyeshadow tutorial, your favorite MUA or YouTuber? For eye makeup looks, I think Rati Terry Singh comes up with the best eye makeup looks, and her looks are such, creative. She comes up with simple eye makeup looks, creative, bold. You give her any eyeshadow look and she pulls off with such brilliance. I absolutely love all her looks. And talking about my favorite YouTuber, I really like watching Shreya Jain. I think she is the most hardworking YouTuber we have. And I also like Aishwarya Kaushal. I think her makeup skills are so on point. Apart from the Indian beauty YouTubers, I really like Kathleen Lights. She's one of my favorites. There was another question, who are your favorite beauty YouTubers? So I think I already answered that. Next one is, what is your favorite nude lipstick shades this winter and best editing apps for Instagram? Nude lipstick shade, I honestly don't like to wear a lot of nudes, be it summers or winters. I'm more like a dark lipstick person. I'll give you a couple of options. One is the Miss Claire Antique Rose. The other one is Sandstorm by NYX. These are my absolute favorite nude lipsticks. And best editing apps for Instagram. I think Instagram itself is an editing app. Apart from Instagram, I think there's Snapseed and there's Airbrush as well. Who is your favorite Bollywood actor? I absolutely love Akshay Kumar. He's literally my favorite, and I watch all of his movies and I'm super duper excited whenever his new movie is about to come. Apart from him, there's Rajkumar Rao, there's Nawazuddin Siddiqui. I also like Irfan Khan, and recently I've also started liking Vicky Kaushal's work. I think he's talented. Most stylish Indian celebrity, I think Kangana Ranaut maybe. Yeah, I think Kangana Ranaut. She's very stylish and she carries herself so gracefully in whatever she wears, be it Western outfits or Indian outfits. Yeah. And the best thing about her is that her personality is that she's a very bold person, so even that adds a lot to her own style. And amongst the male Indian celebrities, I think Hrithik Roshan is very stylish. Next question is, do you do YouTube full time? Yes, it's been actually a couple of years since I'm doing YouTube and blogging full time. Before that, I was working in the corporate sector and I have around about 5 years of corporate experience. Your favorite color has to be black. Apart from black, I really like the color mustard, and yeah, black and mustard. I really like these colors. Favorite TV show? To begin with, honestly, I've not watched a lot of TV shows, but whatever TV shows I've watched, I really liked Friends. There has to be Game of Thrones, of course. Breaking Bad, I recently watched the entire series and it's superb. Apart from these three, I loved Crown, and there's Sherlock as well. How many siblings do you have? I have 2 siblings. I have an elder sister, and then there's me, and then I have a younger brother. Next question is, where are you from? And 2 to 3 people have asked this question. So my roots are basically from Uttar Pradesh, but since I've been born and brought up in Delhi, so technically, yeah, I'm a Delhiite. Your hobbies or your favorite pastime? I really like to, you know, sing. I love to dance, and these two things are something that I've been enjoying since I was a little kid. I love singing and I love dancing, and in my free time I do you know, like to watch movies. I'm a big movie buff. Apart from these things, I really like to watch YouTube, and I love doing makeup in my free time, shopping of course, and yeah, that's about it. Favorite holiday destination? I would love to travel some parts in Europe, especially London, and then there's Paris of course, and Santorini. Yeah. Next question is your place of birth and birthday. So I was born in Delhi, as I told you, and my birthday is 19 August 1991. Next question is what about your education? Any previous work experience? Thoughts on love, marriage and friendship? So about my education, I've done BA Honours History from Delhi University, and currently I'm pursuing my MBA from Symbiosis Pune. It's a distance learning course. I started my career as a content creator, and when I left my last job, I was working there as a social media manager. Thoughts on love, marriage and friendship? I think I would, you know, just explain them in one word. Love for me is life, you know, and marriage is love, and friendship is all about trust. That's it. Could you show us your vanity? My vanity is literally titar-bitar right now. Yeah, currently it's not really in a nice condition. Hopefully sometime around I would love to show you guys my whole makeup vanity. Yeah, but please wait for it now. What's your favorite makeup brand and one product you use every time in your makeup? There's surely not one product that I use all the time. There has to be at least 3 products. One is a mascara, the other one is a lipstick, and the third one would either be a concealer or a foundation, depending upon how my skin is feeling at that point of time. And what's your favorite makeup brand? There is no such thing as one favorite brand. I love a lot of brands, and one such brand that I really like is NYX, and the other one is MAC. I really like these brands. Next question is who proposed who out of you both? Well, actually nobody did. It was never a you know, like dramatic proposal or something like that. We were actually friends first because we worked in the same company, and one fine day, it was his birthday, and he simply asked me, you know, whether I would want to marry him, and then he asked my mother, he talked to my parents, and that's how it, you know, eventually happened. Next question is, do you believe subscriber count actually justifies a YouTuber's hard work? I think first of all, that's a very impressive question. See, when you're initially starting out with YouTube, no matter how good your content is, it takes a lot of time to, you know, build that reach amongst your audience. See, I think in a way it does, and in a way it doesn't, because I've seen a lot of channels myself that have a lot of you know, great content on their channel, but they do not have a lot of subscribers, you know. And of course there is a vice versa case as well, but eventually I think if you are you know, persistent towards your channel, if you are really hardworking and you're putting your heart and soul into your channel, the subscriber count is definitely going to increase. What's your favorite food? Pizza is my ultimate favorite food. I just love it to the core. What's your everyday outfit and makeup? My everyday outfit depends upon the weather, but yeah, it has to be a comfy t-shirt, denims and sneakers probably, or a nice t-shirt dress. My everyday makeup has to be exactly how it's looking right now. Foundation, lots of blush, probably a dark lipstick, lots of mascara and eyeliner sometimes or not. Yeah. What is your favorite lipstick? I have a lot of favorite lipstick, honestly. I'm a lipstick junkie. I love lipsticks to the core. There's one such lipstick by Urban Decay. It's in the shade Bittersweet. That's my absolute favorite. Apart from that one, I love the one which I'm wearing right now. It's the one by Sugar in the shade Fiery Berry. Another one by Sugar, Drop Dead Red. It's my absolute favorite. That's one of my favorite shades of red. And I also like the Deborah Milano Intense Marsala lipstick. And yeah, I think abhi to yaar itne yaad aa rahe hain, so that's it. Summers or winters? Personally, I love the winter season, and it's really chilly in Delhi at the moment. But when it comes to Delhi summers, it sucks like big time, let me tell you guys. But you do have a lot of like clothing options to wear in the summer season, which I absolutely love. You can wear shorts, dresses and skirts, so many other options. What do you regret the most in life? Honestly, there's nothing in life that I regret. But I do wish that I could have started blogging or YouTubing maybe a couple of years before then when I actually started, because when I was a little kid I always told my parents that I wanted to be a beautician. That was a term it was used back in the 90s, and I was always into beauty and makeup, and somewhere while I was growing up it got lost. It just got lost, and yeah, I just thought that I started this whole thing, YouTube and blogging thing, a little late, and maybe I could have started it a little bit earlier. Next question is literally the most asked question on my channel. It's, which color lenses do you wear? Brand name please. Honestly, I wear transparent lenses. Because why transparent lenses? Because मुझे glasses लगे हुए हैं, so I have a high eye power, and that's the reason I wear transparent eye lenses. And brand मुझे यार actually अभी बिल्कुल भी याद नहीं है, so मुझे अगर याद आएगा I'll put it in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I really wanted to build a personal connect in between us, and let me know in the comment section how did you guys like the video. And I would definitely love to know about your new year resolutions, if any. And talking about my resolutions, I want to come up with better and greater content on my channel for you guys, and I also want to see myself getting fitter and healthier in the next year. And starting with that, I want to focus more on my sleeping patterns, because I'm a late sleeper and I kind of wake up late as well. So I want to sleep on time and I want to wake up on time and be more productive. So yeah, please give this video a big like, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. And once again, wishing you guys a very happy and prosperous new year. See you in the next video. I love you. Bye.